good. I feel like you know the people off of Disney Channel, and you're watching me channel. But yeah, I feel like I'm so tall. Wait, pick the trick. Y'all good? Y'all good? Y'all good?
Stop it. Get some help.
Anyways, I just want to get into this video. Y'all already know this is my first video or whatever, so it's like I'm kind of nervous or whatever, but it's like people love my personality, so what about it? But I bet y'all wondering why I got this cap on. Like, why? Why this girl looking bald on camera? Why is she doing it on air? You feel me? I'm bald because did stop walking around. Like, if you got a problem with that, that's on you. But yeah, for real. So, you feel me? I'm gonna be doing a little like a tutorial because I didn't know what I wanted my first video to be. So I'm like, okay, I don't want to be boring or whatever, so I'm just gonna get cute. Y'all gonna watch me get cute. Basically, that's what it is. But before you get into this whole video, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, period. And I just want you to like, you know, like do what y'all do with the other YouTubers. Cause I'm a YouTuber now, don't play with me, boy. I'm a whole YouTuber out here, boy. I'll be going to public and they were like, I'll be like, what was that? What that little bit? Y'all see the background style playing like a whole green screen, but it's not. Got it off of Amazon if you guys want to purchase it. Aww. Let's get into this video. It's good. I try to look cute for y'all or whatever, you know. But okay, we're gonna get into this video.
Period, baby. Your girl over here looking like Roger off American Dad. I am cute, baby girl. Yes. The fact that I look like somebody off a wrong turn, I'm weak. I like to move it, you like to move it. At this point, I was just like, let me cut this because, baby, my whole head look like a scab, and that's unacceptable. I tried to play it off too, y'all, but I was getting frustrated as fuck because they would not go behind my ear. Like, come on, don't make me click out on this video. I got what she never had. My fatty, it's my daddy. Look at my fatty, that's my daddy. Drop my addy, get it in the baggie. Oh no, but that. Y'all, so I got this thick contour that I found in my queen room. It ain't my color, of course, but it was worth a try. That's why what I want to do is I want to really blend it so it could really get into the cap, you know? And at least try to make it look like my color. That's why a nigga rub it so hard. I'm just getting all the sides, making sure I get all the excessive contour and makeup off my face so it could be very clean and cute looking, even though I just sprayed it all in my eye. Y'all see how this side just kept bothering me? Like, I'm just like, like, it's like it didn't want cut. Check out the transparent lace sweeties. And I also put the contour on my lace so it could blend in. The lace could look actually like my skin. You feel me? You know, just so I won't be out here looking like a bird brain. Baby girl, that wig is snatched. Goes Bond glue. I got it off of Amazon. It actually really works, like super tight hold. I also use Got To Be glue, y'all, because I'm hard up. Because like one time I was in class and a boy snatched my wig off and all I could do was laugh. You know, I just wanted to put a little more because I don't play that wig snatching stuff, baby. We don't do that. Well, not anymore, at least. Because that wasn't funny. Y'all see me tugging on it, huh? Did it move? Did it move? No.
If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You might as well become a member of the team, my chicken eat. Yeah, I got some other stuff coming up for y'all and all that. But I really appreciate y'all watching my video or whatever like that, because some people don't maybe take any time out the day, whatever. Yes, you know, do what you do, baby. And I'll see y'all next time.